Here we have one of your better wind turbines or whirlybirds on the marketplace, which you can see is mounted on a airbox, which when it's in operation, it will actually supposedly draw air in through the bottom here and then extract it out through here, and we can see the performance with the air flowing through with these movement of these streamers. Like I said, this is one of the your better wind turbines on the market. It's a 350mm diameter throat. Also has a fan blade mounted in the bottom of the unit to help draw more air up through the unit and extract more air out, as opposed to some of your cheaper ones which you can buy into your hardware stores, which don't have a fan blade in the bottom. Therefore you don't get the same level of performance out of those typically cheaper model wind turbines on the marketplace. What we got here is got a fan unit here which we can turn on, which will actually spin this at a normal sort of wind speeds, and I'll demonstrate that now, and I'll turn this on. So we've got this spinning, sort of around the sort of 10, 12 kilometre, 15 kilometre wind speed that you would normally have on a summer's day. As you can see, you have very little air movement through here on your streamers at the bottom. It's not, as you can see, they're not that very efficient in regards to the amount of air that they actually draw. At the same time, they do sit quite high on your roof, so which from a visual aspect, you've got these wind turbines whirlybirds on your roof which don't look very attractive on a home. Okay. What we'll do now is we're going to demonstrate the performance of the SolarStar, solar-powered roof ventilator system, which will take this unit off and then fit that onto the airbox, and then you can see the difference in the airflow performance with the air flowing through the bottom of the airbox. Take that off, put that to one side. Now what we have here, this wire is actually going up through the roof, because we're in a showroom. This is going up to the roof to one of these solar panels on the roof, which is a 10-watt solar panel, exactly the same as this. Okay. Now we'll lay this on top of the airbox. And if you watch the streamers down the bottom, as you can see the difference in airflow, these are now turning up inside the airbox. The air draws through here and is blowing back out through the underside of the grill here. That is also a 350mm diameter throat size, exactly the same as a wind turbine or whirlybird that's sitting on the floor. The other thing that you consider, that you need to also look at when you're looking at roof ventilation, when it comes to the solar-powered roof ventilation system, is that they are running a brushless motor, like there is running in this particular unit. Also low profile, so they're not obtrusive on your roof line. They sit very low on your roof line. And also the flashing systems, which these are mounted onto, are going to be leak-proof. We have a particular flashing. This is the one we use for all our tiled roofs. A proven product, a flashing system which has been in the marketplace for some 20 odd years. And as you can see, that unit there sits on the top there. That's where your tile line is, so you can see it's very low profile. That's on that. Then we have another one suited for your corrugated iron roofs or custom all, and that's the other system there again. So it's all our flashings have been specially designed for different types of roof lines and are totally leak-proof when it comes to a wet day or rainy day. Okay. So remembering quality, brushless motor, low profile, leak-proof on your roof, and as you can see, that's the unit there with the fan running up. Okay. Sit that back up onto there again. There, right. And then we can put our wind turbine back. And as you can see, again, at rotating, there's no air movement running through the bottom of the airbox. Very little.